YouTube, what's good? It's the OG back with another video. I know it's been a minute since I did an unboxing, but I got something that came in. I just wanted to share with you guys real quick. I hope everyone is enjoying a day. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I truly appreciate it. With all that being said, let's crack this open. See what it's looking like. Nope, I still haven't got the cool gray 11s. Just waiting to find me a authentic pair, you know. Thought my boy tried to get them, but what had happened, I don't believe that who was that? Kicks on Fire, they reported that they was restocking, man. I didn't see it, man. Anyway, I'll get a pair later on down the road. Size 12. Got these for like $55. No, they not new, but hey, let's see what they looking like. They look new. I guess he must have tried them on or something, because the soles is, you know, I don't see no wear and tear on there. Man, these are dope. I want to get the other ones like these, the 10 ones. I got the 10s like these, and you know. But anyway, that's what came in. See the suede on there. I know my light. All tight. Maybe that'll bring it in a little bit better. These are nice. It's not gonna show up on the inside. Let me see. Shit, I can't see. It's just black. Let's get the other one out. See what this looks like. I will be dropping another video about this little war going on over there too, man. Dropping my little 2 cents. Yeah, this is the other one right there. Yep. Man, these look new. Yeah, $55, you know? $55. You can't beat that with a baseball bat. Yep. Well, there you have it. Thank you guys for tuning in. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please hit that thumbs up. It'll take this video a long way. It's the OG, and I'm out of here.